is going on, Saltugans? It is your boy Kayak Media today, and we have an epic fishing video for y'all. Yes, it's gonna be filled with action. Mangrove Snapper and a giant that manhandled me at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, folks, epic trip. Me and my good buddy from high school, known him for a long time. Always go fishing with him. He's in town. We took the yaks out, and we got on a great snapper spot. And we even saw a red snapper. Freaking insane. This red snapper chased my bait up. I probably got a little bit more excited than what I should have. But yeah, y'all will see that in the video. So stay tuned. Enjoy the video, folks. As always, thank y'all for just showing the amount of support that y'all do on the channel. It really does keep me going. And yeah, folks, like I said, enjoy. And I will see you guys next week on Kayak Media. Peace out, dudes. Yep. Oh, nice snapper, bro. Let's go, boy. Let's go. There we go, guys. That's how we do it. That's a slab. Check him out. Beautiful mangy right there. He freaking annihilated that shrimp. He's probably about 13, 14. Oh, it's been a slow, oh gosh. It's been a slow day, folks. Let me tell you something. Just switched spots because it's freaking windy as heck, and looks like it panned out. First keeper of the day. Let's get him off the hook. Beautiful fish right there.
Here, bro.
He crapped too.
You gotta hit me with my other pole again.
Alright, fish number one is caught, folks. Let's see if we can't get fish number two. Like I said, it's been a slow day, guys. It's been a slow day out here. It's pretty windy, so we're taking shelter behind this little wall, and hopefully we can get another fish. You about wrecked me. Like,
Don't cut you off.
Yeah, dude, there's some nice ones down there though. I have a mangrove snapper eating it. He just ate it. Got him. There he is. There he is. Yay. Oh no. Gosh. I missed him, folks. I missed him. Oh, I'm on. Watch out. Oh my god. Oh, I freaking. Guys, there's a freaking frenzy going on right here. Chaz has him in one. Hey, he's probably 10, man. He's probably a keeper. Dude, that fish hit on my on the way down.
You think so?
Yeah, he definitely did. Well, mine did. I'm not sure about yours.
No, I'm saying, you think he's 10?
Oh yeah, he's probably 10. I think there's a ruler in my tackle box, man, if you want to go and grab it. Oh my, that's a red snapper! Red snapper, look, 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 look! Look, look, look!
I can't see it.
Look, he's right there at the wall! Oh my, dude, that was a stud red snapper. Look, he's still there! Oh my god, I'm fixing to catch this freaking fish, dude. Watch this.
Dude, I seen him. Here,
Oh,
throw me a shrimp, though.
Hold on, bro. Hold on.
Throw me one before you fucking catch the bait.
Here. Oh my goodness, here. Dude, that is a giant red snapper. Did you see that thing? He had my freaking bait, dude. I swear, he had my freaking bait. It's probably what just ate me. All right, folks, there is a giant red snapper down there. Giant red snapper. There he is. Watch out. There we go. Number two. Number two. Golly, man, they're everywhere right here. All right, I'm still trying to catch that red snapper though, folks. There, I saw him. He came up after my bait, and yeah, freaking stud red snapper. Literally right on this seawall right here. Let's get him measured up. Oh yeah, he's 10 inches, folks. 10 inches easy, easy peasy. Going in the ice box. That red snapper, man, got my heart racing. Whew, that thing was freaking huge. That would be so awesome, to be honest. If I hook that red snapper, man, it's like all hell is gonna break loose, dude. That thing is gonna be screaming drag. Uh-oh. Am I on? I'm on. Here we go. I don't know if he's gonna make it, folks. He looks a little short. We'll go ahead and measure him up though. All right, guys, he's at 9 inches, a little bit too short. Let's let him go. All right, let me get one real quick. Oh my God, dude, the snapper are everywhere, man. Hey, where's your bait at? Oh no. Yeah, he freaking hung me up, dude. You got one? Nice, man. Heck yeah.
He's a keeper?
He might be, man. Definitely measure him up. Seriously. For sure measure him up. The bite is on fire right now, folks. Alright, folks, we're gonna measure his fish. Nope. He's 9 3/4, man. 9 3/4. Going back. Alright, let's catch some more.
Dude, you know what we could do?
What?
We went on a shrimp. Dude, are those croakers still in there?
Cut bait?
Yeah, we could try some cut baits.
Damn. Holy. What is that? Is that a black drum? That's a black drum.
Oh, I see it.
See him?
Damn.
Alright, dude, we're fixing to run out of shrimp. You hear me? Oh, dude, I see the red snapper. I see the red snapper. Please let there be another shrimp. Oh, yes. Dude, I am fixing to hook that freaking red snapper, man. There he is. Watch out, Chaz. God. Oh no, he's coming. He's coming. Dang. There he is. Ooh, this boy thought he was getting away. He thought. Oh. He just snapped my leader. I'm using 10-pound test, guys. I'm not using that strong a line because these things are finicky, but I don't know if he's gonna make it. Nah, he's short. Oh God, I got a drum on. Shit. Oh. No, baby. Come here, come here. Damn it. This is a damn drum, dude, I guarantee it. If I land this, bro, I'm gonna be so freaking amazed. All right, guys, we are hooked up to what I believe is a black drum. We just gotta get him tired out. Oh my God. Dude, that or a red snapper. Come on. This is not ideal. All right, I need to pull him over here. God damn. Come on, baby. He's coming up. He's coming up. All right, folks, we are hooked up. Come on. literally one of the most freaking awkwardest fish fights ever. I can't even get my rod out of this little slough I'm in right now, but I am battling my, oh my God, he's pulling my yak, dude. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, I can't let him go that way though because there's that pylon right there, man. Oh no. Turn your head. Come on. Dude, this is a stud drum, I think. Oh no! Damn it, man. Oh my God, my heart is freaking racing, dude. That was awesome.